ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the City of LaPorte Parks and Recreation Special Services Cooking 101 class. Today we are making tomato basil mozzarella bites. Okay. What we are using is the little grape tomatoes, different colors, mozzarella bites, little mozzarella bites, and basil leaves. If you have a basil plant, it's a whole lot better than going to the store, but if you don't, get the organic kind at the Kroger's or Walgreens or wherever you can find it. Okay, here we go. We have a skewer, cut to size, or you can use a toothpick, whichever you prefer. What you do first is you take your little tomato here, put them on here, little, these guys here, put them on, slide them down, and a little piece of basil. Slide them down, right there. And you'll do another one. Another tomato, mozzarella, basil. More. Whoop, that one fell off, didn't it? Okay, we'll try another one. However you want to do it is perfect. It's totally up to the individual. All right. And then there's the last one right there. Okay. Now what we do is we take these, we've already done, and we have extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. I have taken 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar and reduced it to a little bit of syrup. You take a little bit of your extra virgin olive oil, drizzle it, put it aside, a little of your balsamic vinegar. And if you would like salt, it's up to the individual. I would like a little bit of salt. Okay, all you have to do is eat it. Ready? Here goes. I'm just gonna have a little bit off the top. Delicious. Thank you very much for joining our Cooking 101 class. I hope you enjoyed the tomato mozzarella basil bites, and I look forward to seeing you next month for another Cooking 101 class.